Um, Good morning, class. It's Monday, May 4th, and I hope you got outside between the rain this weekend and caught some of those sunshine rays, because I was getting sunburnt one day, like in 5 minutes. So hot. The sun was so hot out there. But at any rate, today we're going to start something a little new in our math class. But you did it in the classroom when we were back at the school, but for doing it online with the Google Classroom, we're trying to review stuff. Mr. D asked me to try to review stuff that you would be having to try to remember for when you get in your math class when you get in high school next year. So let me show you. You get onto the Math Appenzeller-Dweck math class Google Classroom. And then let me show you, let me see. If I go to this, okay, so it would be under this one that says 5.4 to 5.10, and it's the first one under there. Then you go to click on that assignment, and then it opens it up like I had it originally. And let's read what directions I put here. I said that you have to open the document. I just said that too. Read the definitions and directions. Type in the answers to the problems. Okay, then after you did the document, you would listen to the Kahn Academy video explaining finding slope from a graph. Pick or click the Turn In option to submit the assignment. Then you're done. So let's look at this. I had opened it up over here. This document I was talking about. Something I wanted to say first before I forget, though, the definitions of rise in this chart is like rise is like walking up the stairs. How many blocks did it go up? And then run is like when you run forward. You go straight ahead. So how many blocks did it go across or over? So let's look at our sheet here I made. It says number worlds investigating slope. The key idea in this lesson we're trying to learn is that slope is a ratio that indicates the steepness of a line. Then there's two parts to that slope, is rise and run, which I was just telling you over there what the definitions were, and I wish now I would have written them in this document, but I didn't, and it's too late because I already sent it to you all. So if I had to do this over again, I would have the definitions up there, say that much. Try this. Use the diagram below to answer the questions that follow. Okay, what is the rise of the stair? So let me read the definition to you again. Rise is like when you're walking up the stairs. How many blocks did it go up? So we start in the bottom line. What did it go up? Okay, someone tell me. Then the run. Now we're on the run one. Number 2, what is the run of the stairs? Let me read definition again. Run is like when you run forward. So like we're here. Technically, we're starting at this line. And then we run how many forward? 1, 2. We ran forward 2. See how, try to explain it this way. The bottom line is a base. So the second line shows what they're asking about. So compared to where we are there, how many did we go over? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so in the end it's 2. What is the slope of the stairs? So for the slope, it says that we have to put the rise on the top and the run on the bottom. So the answer that you had in number 1 goes on the first number for the fraction. And then for number 2, the run number there, we're going to use a backspace because it's really complicated to do it with that other symbol, like Mr. D was saying the other week. So we're going to use a backspace to make the fraction. And then the number that you put for the answer for number 2 is what you would put in the line, the second part of this, and then you end up making a fraction. Okay? So then you have the answer to that problem, and you're done with that part. You would, it would keep on saving that while you're doing it. And then you would go back to your assignment, listen to this video, like I said before, of finding out about slope. Let me see, slope from graph. Let me see how many minutes it is again. 4 minutes, 39 seconds. Not terribly long, huh? Finish all that, go back to your document and ask it to churn it in. Then I'll get the copy of it and grade it and send it back to you. Okay, I hope to see you on the Zoom call at 12. Bye.